Just thank the Lord. So people get ready for the train.
Hey guys, welcome back to Colby's Kitchen. For today's episode, we're going to be going right to Spain. We're going to be doing a paella, seafood with spicy chorizo. But one of the main things, we're using the authentic Spanish rice. As we know, my Filipino peeps know rice is life. Stay tuned for the rest of the dish. Hey guys, welcome back. What you're going to do is start the process. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of olive oil, virgin olive oil. Make sure the pan is nice and hot. Once the pan is nice and hot, we're going to add our about 2 pounds of chorizo, which I cut up into about half an inch. We're going to cook this for about 2-3 minutes or until both sides are completely brown. Alright guys, next step, once you have the chorizo nice and brown, after about 2 to 3 minutes, we're going to add in about 2 cups of orange or yellow onion. And we're going to also do about maybe 2 tablespoons of garlic. And then about 1.5 cups of red peppers, already diced, everything diced. You're going to saute that for about 2 minutes. Alright guys, next step, we're going to add about 2 to 3 cups of authentic paella rice. This is the key ingredient, saffron. So we're going to do about 2 tablespoons saffron. We're going to add about a tablespoons of black pepper, I'm sorry. And then another 2 to 3 tablespoons of Himalayan salt. Finally, we're going to add 4 cups of broth, chicken broth. We're going to let this sit for about 20 minutes until the rice cooks the broth down. The flavors are just amazing. I'm smelling the flavors. Alright guys, it's the rice, the moisture is cooked down by the rice. We're going to add the seafood. I'm using K12 scallops, about 2 pounds, and then I'm also using UK shrimp, another 2 pounds. I'm using Cape Cod mussels, about 1 pound of those. And then the finale, we're going to add peas on the top. We're going to let this cook until the seafood's done, and then we'll be ready for our final. We'll be ready for serving. Amazing. Alright guys, we're at the finale. Everything's cooked. Looks fantastic. Smells even better. Let's go ahead and plate this. Some of those shrimp. Also.
Just
good to perfection. Okay.
So people get ready for the train to Jordan, picking up passengers, coast to coast. Faith is the
All right, guys, we're here at our final dish. Everything's cooked to perfection. Let's go ahead and try it. See if it takes. As you see, the clams are cooked to absolutely perfection. We'll have a little combination. Oh. Oh. Perfect.
there ain't no room for the
I look forward to you guys trying it. See you next week.
blood on mankind just to save his own. Have pity on those